Welcome to a gentle, tension-relieving session. Let's begin simply just shaking your body out. We're going to build all the great physical attributes in a movement session: strength, mobility, and balance, certainly. But let's just see if one movement, and when we connect our breath to that movement, if it can help us to eliminate a little bit of the stress, anxiety, and tension that we often carry through our day. Just shake things out all the way from the tips of your toes to the ends of your fingertips. Just move along with me for the entire session. We'll conclude our session with the most simple and brilliant of meditations from the great Thich Nhat Hanh. And when you're ready, let's begin to simply squat down gently. Roll your shoulders back. Come on down. Breathe in gently. Exhale, come on down, let it all go. Take any one of these movements throughout your day and just see what 30 seconds, 1 minute of mindful movement can do to help us break free of that monkey mind. When we have a self-deprecating thought, just notice it. Hey, what would a little bit of movement, some breath work do to help me to allow that thought to just pass on by? As you begin to warm up, get a little bit more dynamic in the movement. Come down a little lower. Roll those shoulders back a little further. Connect to your breath a little deeper. Now, let's just float the hands up and down. Breathe in and out. Imagine an ocean wave just bobbing up and down. Real easy, real gentle. With this one, we'll come back to this movement, get a little more dynamic later in the session, but just nice and easy right now. When you come down and you exhale, maybe you feel a little bit of that tension release from your shoulders. Widen your stance just a little bit. We're simply going to shift from side to side and float your hand across your body. Just push with the palm of your hand. I invite you to breathe in to one side and out to the other. Shift a little deeper when you can. Gently twist into it as you push your hand just a little bit further. Narrow your stance. Bring one hand up and pull down. Imagine you're pulling a rope. Reach up. Make a nice, tight fist. Squeeze your hand as you pull the rope down. Reach up a little higher. Feel everything elongating. One side, breathe in and out. Little mindful movement. Connect to the breath. We tap into the parasympathetic nervous system. Rest and digest. Rather than fight and flight. Why? I'm having quite a wildlife day. There's deer all around. I don't know what happened there. Bring your hands into prayer. Breathe in. Bring your hands overhead. And then gently bend to each side. Bring your heel up off the ground. Come to the middle. Squat down ever so gently. Rise up. Prayer overhead. And just a gentle bend to the side. Come on down. Rise up. Feel that in the shoulders and the upper back. And then a lovely, nourishing stretch in the side body. Last one here. Coming back to our ocean waves, but now a full body wave. Breathe in when you come to the top, arms up, come on down, let it all go. Big inhale, let it out. This one movement at some point in your day, when you're feeling a little tension, deeply breathe in and let it all go. Okay. Come on up. Again, we're just going to shift from side to side. In prayer posture. Come on down and then rise up. Down, twist and turn. Just notice what is. One more. Oh, just the way we started. Just shake everything out. Close your eyes and just shake everything. Feel the aliveness in your body. Feel all that tension releasing. Ah, yeah. If you'd like to stick around just for another mindful moment, Thich Nhat Hanh. Oh, such a wonderful teacher. Simple meditation. All it is I breathe in, I notice I'm breathing in. I breathe out, I notice I'm breathing out. When you feel anxiety, stress, self-deprecating thoughts throughout your day, One of those can change your entire state. Just takes us out of the monkey mind. I breathe in, I notice I'm breathing in. I breathe out, I notice I'm breathing out. I'm going to turn the camera around just so you can see my beautiful view. Let's begin. I breathe in, I notice I'm breathing in. I breathe out, I notice I'm breathing out. I breathe in, I notice I'm breathing in. I breathe out, I notice I'm breathing out. I'll let you continue on your own for the next few minutes. One last one altogether. I breathe in, I notice I'm breathing in. I breathe out, I notice I'm breathing out. Have a glorious day. I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.